what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Full speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Full speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it.
Hello. We had the morning at Typhoon Lagoon, as you would have seen with the GoPro. It's been so hot. Every one of us have burned, haven't we?
Yeah, I'm in so much pain.
You wasn't answering me then.
Oh, I know.
We have all burned.
Like,
I think out of everyone I've burnt the least.
Burned.
Then I think it's probably you and Mum joined, and then I don't know who's worse, out of Dad or Christian. Christian is bad.
Like, ridiculous.
But we've had sun cream on, but we've just
not topped up enough.
No, we didn't top up enough. Still really, really hot and sunny. But we're heading to Epcot, and
this is the most pain ever to be sunburnt. And I literally, like, I've put this top on so you can't see the strap marks.
No, we was all dying laughing when we got back to the room.
Probably, like, we've put makeup on and it won't match the rest of our body. But I wasn't not going to put makeup on because I'm literally like a walking tomato. I haven't even put lipstick on. Because my lips are burnt, so my lips are that red.
You have naturally red lips.
Naturally, yeah, I do.
Like very,
like really pinky red lips.
Our first fast pass is Frozen. We did have Figment, but we've just missed it. Not missed it, we just didn't get ready in time.
By the way, I've chosen to face your purpose tonight.
Yes!
Buzzing. Extra evening hours, so we're going to do like the first half in the countries to show Christian the countries Papa and eat in Japan. Go around each country because we love the countries, and then we're going to spend the second half of the night when it's extra evening hours up the other end where all the rides are. So yeah.
Show me your outfit while we're walking.
What? Smart?
No, because your outfit's cute, you're matching with your headband.
This is the same skirt I had on Monday, black Converse, and then I don't even know where this top's from. I feel like I have a new look on camera.
Yeah. And she's the same headband.
And then just a red flowy dress, which is from Primark as well.
Your whole wardrobe's been Primark.
What amazing timing. Woohoo! Near about. Gotta look up there for your picture. You ready? Pull a funny face. Take your hat off, take your hat off. We've got a sleepy Baba, which I think's better because I don't think he'd enjoy this. I think he'd get a bit crabby, but we'll see.
Custom made just for you.
I'm gonna let you do it.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Hiya. Oh. Oh, the country.
Do you really? Such a lie.
Now, along with our answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Shall we? Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future.
Oh, my face is weird. Doesn't smell better. So we have just come out of Spaceship Earth. Kason's awake now. Actually, just gonna speed it on over to Frozen Fast Pass now. We've got 10 minutes before it finishes. We can do this. We're right near World Showcase now. We only have to go Mexico and Norway, don't we? I don't know why I'm asking you. I've not a clue why I'm asking you. So yeah, fingers crossed. We're very important. I don't think we will be. I think we'll make it. We'll make it. Oh look, they've started doing the Food and Wine Festival. The blimmin' date we go home as well. So the date we go home, it's Star Wars Galaxy's Edge opening and Food and Wine. Thanks for that.
Made it by the skin of our teeth. I'm ready, Mo. Say yay! Yay! Clever boy!
Everyone is summer day. We get to share this frozen fun.
What's that? Oh, he's trying to look. Yay!
Right. Not Mitsubishi? Oh, no.
I am so ready for this curry.
Is there any like good tea stuff? Because I feel like Japan do good tea. What's that for? Is that gonna be like a sandwich maker or something?
No, it's a sandwich bag. Oh no, it's sushi.
No. Oh, what was it? Oh, that makes sense. Shampoo and conditioner. What's that? I feel like some of these are going to be really interesting. What is it?
An exfoliating thing.
Oh, that's good. Mum, that's zoomed in. So you're going to be closer than you wanted to be on that?
Well, that's not good. Nobody needs that.
Right, what's the plan? We are all so full from tea. Like, we had, I swear that was bigger than we've normally had it. It seemed like you got more, but obviously we didn't. It's just the normal sizes. My favourite thing to do is walk around the countries at night and then you see the ball. I just love it. I was about to say, I feel Italy's very underrated. It's very pretty. I'm saying that, they all are.
Oh, what? Going in?
We're going in! You could not have timed that any better then. We were literally just saying we're never going in.
We're starting Germany.
No, he found this hat that he likes, but he was like, you have to go and tell Hannah to look because she's picky with hats. I think it's well nice.
Well, I'm not messing. Considering you're in like a really posh shop before, I was getting something that...
Oh no, this is for him.
But no, it's for himself.
I did say, look at this design and you'll see what I mean. Just look straight at this. Oh, is there?
Like, do I spite him or do I be like, alright, dude, you're right?
It's nice, and then look at the back.
Told you.
Oh, Hannah, we're actually being serious. We both really liked it.
When are you going to wear that?
Told you.
Oh,
very picky on hats.
Right, can we go and look in Germany?
Deutschland.
There's like so many flavours. A chewy caramel, soft caramel. What's that one? Cocoa cream. Oh my god, look at that one, vanilla cream. They have vanilla cream.
I've never seen one.
Yeah, we only have like one flavour, don't we? Cappuccino ones. Ooh, caramel coffee. How cute. What, crystals?
Yeah, so there's a story behind this. It started off in Barcelona when I went to Macau.
Story smashes on. How pretty.
God, so they're usually in here.
Oh, you should get one, you know, for like your first trip all together.
My magic and there was a wasp on there.
I think that's a hint, Christian, for you to get a piece of jewellery.
That's nice with the years, isn't it?
Which one?
The one with the red
Oh my
ears.
god, they're so nice.
That's well nice, sir.
It's not even picking it up because of our thing there. I want one from Pandora.
Once I got to visualize 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it fits my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Yay!
She knows when it finishes, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Bam! Round and round the garden like a teddy. Oh no, we're not having that now. Because it gets my fingers so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Oh!
That's what you get for being that way. Getting like an applause. Let's go up to Mexico. Oh, Christian, I love it here. How cool does this look? It's like you're actually in Mexico. Oh, we do this every year. Just stand here, don't we? Big caballeros. There's literally no one on it. They look like Casper the Ghost with a red. Look at that. Shall we go on? So we're out of World Showcase now and everyone's heading out to the exit, but obviously we're doing extra magic hours, so we just headed over to Figment because it's only 5 minutes. We really want to try and do test track. What are you doing? We really want to try and do test track in these evening hours, but I don't think we're gonna be able to fit it in because it's still a 75-minute wait, but we'll see. So we're just gonna go over to Figment while Kason's still away. And I'm literally dripping. What's the song on Figment? It's so humid. We're just as bad. Something like that. That whole thing's probably blurry, so talk about that.
You thought the one with the one was bad?
You thought It's a Small World was bad. Wait till you hear this. Wait till you hear this song.
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch.
Taste the look. Did you do it?
remember the pattern. There's a pattern. Oh, I love that view.
He wakes up on the floor. I'm standing over like, just get me out of your bed.
What on earth are you talking about?
Every morning since
falling
we've
out of
been here, because she woke up and told me he's fell off the bed.
It's a high bed, Christian.
It's a very hard, that's what I mean. I'm waking up fully asleep.
Yay, Baba! Kason, I'll go find Nemo. It's just with Nanny. Dad's got his own shell.
Me and Christian had just done Mission Space. Oh, it was horrific.
That's what it said in the title.
It's
Oh, what used to be Ellen?
I know, it's sad, isn't it?
Aww.
Yeah, there's the green and the orange. I think green is less intense,
Yeah.
orange is more intense. Well, him over here wanted to do orange. Oh, never again. Literally, like, your face like gets pushed all back. It's horrible. The sick bags, you know?
Yeah.
There's actually sit bags.
Not for me, thank you.
It's horrible. He's going, yes, woo! And I literally didn't speak the whole way because I couldn't open my mouth.
We was going to do test drive as well, but it's an hour away.
It's an hour, and even if we did, like, we would have done child swap, which meant Dad could then go back on it with someone else. It's just not worth it.
No. So we're going to head back. It's been a good night.
It has, yeah.
Speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you.